Yeah, welcome to SciMaster Academy. We completed till indefinite integration. Now we are going to start definite integration. Whatever it is integration, which is nothing but adding. Integrate means addition. Okay. And definite indefinite means indefinite integration. There we will get the solution in terms of variable. Here we will get the solution in terms of quantity. Simply we can say definite integration is finding the area. So for different curves, lines. Okay. How we can find the definite integration for the given curves or given question. Okay, before that I will give you some properties and also some formulas. Every formula from indefinite integration we can use here. Same problems also, same problems also we have here, one or two problems. See, we know already integral something is, you will get something, right? Different. So integration of cos x sin x minus cos x, something, we have all plus c. But here in definite integration, there is no plus c. We have limits, lower limit, upper limit. How, sir? Now come to the diagram. I am giving in simple way. Suppose if this is a curve, which curve? F of x. And on x-axis I am taking some limits a and b. Then to find this area from a to b, we are finding integration. I told you integration means finding area. So from a to b for this curve, how much it is making area we are finding, that is this. But this is not value, it is a function in terms of x. We have to use the limits to find the value, area. So the answer will be, you will get like lower limit to upper limit, and after that you have to substitute f of b minus f of a. Upper limit substitution minus lower limit substitution. Remember always, first we have to substitute upper limit, then lower limit, subtraction. Okay, na? And always remember, lower limit should be smaller than upper limit. Lower limit should be less than upper limit. So then the first property or formula, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to something different function. That's why I'm taking capital F of x a to b, which is equal to f of upper limit minus f of lower limit. Understand? For example, I'm taking a question, integral 1 to 2 something x square dx. This is the question. For x square curve on x axis 1 to 2, what is the area? So which is equal to x square integration what? First forget the limits. What is the integration of x square? X cube by 3, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that is nothing but x cube by what? 3. What are the limits? 1 to 2. I said that first you have to substitute which limit? Upper limit. Substitute upper limit. 2 cube by 3 minus next lower limit 1 cube by 3, which is equal to 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 7 by 3 is the answer. ikkadi varaku indefinite, that is indefinite only. After finding solution we are substituting limits. All methods are same, all types are same, all formulas are same. Only extension you are substituting the limits, upper limit and lower limit. First upper limit, then lower limit. Understand? So now after this I will give you some properties. This is the first one, and the second one. See here, you should remember at any cost all these properties to solve the questions. Long answer, short answer, very short answer, whatever it is. Otherwise custom. So see here, second integral a to b f of x dx will be, we can write like integral b to a f of x dx. What we did? It changed the limits, upper, lower, upper. Then you will get what? Negative. Next, third one. Integral a to b f of x dx can be written as integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. Simply, this is a, this is b, right? Let some here c. Now what I am doing? I am finding first this part, a to c. You will get some value, and c to b. You will get some more value. Adding these two, you will get a to b only, na? So that only we can write not only two parts, we can write infinity parts. You can cut like this 100 parts, a to b, b to c, c to d, d to e, last again. Okay, so we can write a to b as a to something and something to last limit b. Okay, here c same, right? Understand? And now one more, fourth one, integral a to b f of x dx. Very important formulas now, which can be written as integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Now fifth one, this is also very important, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. These both are same. Instead of a, we are taking what? 0. B, we are taking a. A plus b means 0 plus a. That is a plus b or 0 plus a only a minus x, and a plus b minus x. Okay. Next, sixth one. Integral minus a to a f of x dx. If you have same limit but minus and plus, there is no limits same. A to a, b to b, c to c, that is 0. Okay. A to a, how you will get area? A to a. Okay, we can't find. From this point to this point, we can find the distance. From this point to this point, what is the distance? 0. So that's why we can't find a to a, b to b, same limits. So here, minus a to a f of x dx can be written as in two ways. One is 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. If this f of x is even, you know already even functions, odd functions, and functions. And second option is 0 if f of x is odd. If f of x is odd. What about even functions, odd function? Even f of minus x is also equal to f of x. Odd f of minus x, if this is equal to minus f of x. Even function, odd function. Okay. If you substitute in place of x, if you substitute here minus x, if you will get minus of that function, that is odd. If you will get the same function, that is even. Suppose substitute here in place of x minus x, what will become? If you write here minus x whole square, how much? X square, same you are getting. This is even function. Suppose take x cube minus x whole cube, what you will get? Minus x cube, not x cube. How x cube, brah? 3 times minus into minus plus, plus into minus again minus. So minus x cube, which is nothing but odd function. X cube is the function, but minus you have odd function. So odd function means if you write minus x, you should get minus of f of x. Even function means if you write minus x, you should get only f of x. Okay. So for even function, you will get that answer. For odd function, you will get that answer. So we have here two answers for this property, property number 6. Next, property 7, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx, which can be written as in two ways. That is, the first way, 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. Second one is 0. when it will become if f of 2a minus x should be equal to f of x. If f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Understand? This is also very important property. Seventh one, sixth one, fifth one, fourth one. These four properties very important. We have more properties I will give you. ఇంకేం రాసుకోవచ్చు చూద్దాం. I will see. Sarap. ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? Yeah. So yeah, more two formulas I want to give you, that is nothing but having a name limit of sum. Very useful for objective. ఏంటి సార్ దీని మీనింగ్? Suppose if you have a series 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on something, we can write this as a limit function. First of all, limit ga raskochu by writing limit extends 1 2 3 4, you will get the expansion. How you can find this type of function integration, that is limit of sum? See, I will show you the formula. 7th 8th, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n f of I by n, f of I by n. Just a minute. This is like very short but very important. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n summation. Sorry. Summation. That only na summation. 1 plus 2 plus 3 means we should add. That is summation. Okay. Summation I equal to 1 to n f of I by n. See here, I value will change. I equal to, you can take 1 2 3 4 5 till what? N, which can be written as integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. Questions will be given in this form. Limitations lo questions vastai. You should convert into integration, then we can find easily solution. We have more questions, I will explain. Okay, here what? I equal to 1 to, what is the last one? N. If you have instead of n something, that is also one more property, that is limit n tends to infinity 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to np, means instead of n, suppose 2n 3n 5n 6n 7n, like that. If you have something into n, f of I by n is equal to integral 0 to, instead of 1 you will get what? P. Here how many times of n? 1. That's why 0 to 1. Here how many times? Here p times. That's why 0 to p f of x dx. If you know instead of p, here f of x is sin x, can we find the integration? Minus cos x. Instead of f of x, you have something 1 by 1 plus x square, whatever it is. Can we find? We can. We have all types of models. We done many questions also in different ways. Okay, so these two also important for very short and objective. Limit of sum, then parent limit of sum. Okay na? So I will explain you these type of questions. Nothing is hard here. The very important thing that you have to concentrate more. Here one example question I will give you. Integral 0 to a, example question. Integral 0 to a dx by x square plus a square. Dx by x square plus a square. What is the answer for this? Suppose if there is no limits, what is the answer? Integral 1 by a square plus x square dx. What is the answer for that? If there is no limits, what is the answer? Chalo. See, we know already, if there is no limits, the answer will be 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula. Since plus tan inverse, for minus logarithm, root unte hyperbolic. Okay, so here 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c, but we have definite integration. Limits we have 0 to what? A. First we should substitute which limit? upper limit, first upper limit, right? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a by a. We have to write the upper limit in place of variable x, minus 1 by a tan inverse 0 by a. What is 0 by something is always 0. Here a one time cancel, which is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of 1 minus 1 by a into 0, which is equal to 1 by a tan inverse 1. For which degree? For which angle you will get 1? 45. Tan 45. That is into pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 4a is the answer. In indefinite integration, this is the answer. Definite integration, we are writing what? Limits. Upper limit and lower limit. Okay, na? Today I will give you some very important questions. See, method same, ra. All questions similar. Types all are same, but finally you have to write what? Limits. You have to use the limits. Limits will be given. Then you will get the final answer. Okay. Now I am giving the first question. And I gave you all the properties. Properties very important. With the properties only we solve the questions. And parallelly we use all integration differentiation formulas, same like indefinite integration. Now see, you have page number 278, all examples. Open your page 278. Mark the questions I will give you. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 6. Okay. Okay now. Right. Problem number 1. The problem is, this is exercise problem. Integral 0 to a square x minus x cube into dx. Listen on. This is the question. Here we have two functions in addition or subtraction. We can separate kada. So that is integral 0 to a square x dx minus integral 0 to a x cube dx, which is equal to a square outside, right? Integral 0 to a x dx minus integral 0 to a cube dx. What is integral x dx? X power 1, x power n formula. N plus 1 by n plus 1. That is a square into x square by 2. What are the limits? 0 to a cube. Sorry, x cube, na? X cube, right? So what is x cube integration? X power 4 by 4. X power n formula, man. X ki x square by 2, x square ki cube by 3, cube ki 4 by 4, fourth ki 5 by 5. So here x cube, that's why x power 4 by 4. What are the limits? 0 to a. Now write a square into, first write upper limit, a square by 2 minus lower limit is what? 0 by something 0, no need to write. Minus, here again upper limit, a power 4 by 4 minus lower limit is what? 0. Now write a square into a square, a power 4 by 2 minus this, no need to write, this no need to write, minus into plus minus, a power 4 by 4. Now we can take the LCM will be what? 4. This is 2 a power 4 minus a power 4. What is the answer? A power 4 by 4 is the answer. Understand? Same like indefinite integration only. Extra we are doing from here onwards. After integration, we are substituting limits. So all same properties, same formulas. Okay. Next question number 2. And this question, integral 2 to 3 2x by dx. So this is directly substitution method. Denominator derivation only, numerator 1 plus x square derivation 2x. So what formula? Integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Okay na? So what is the answer? Log mod f of x means log mod f of x means 1 plus x square kada. Plus c ledu, limits we have to write, that is what? 2 to 3. First write upper limit, log mod 1 plus 3 square minus lower limit, log mod 1 plus 2 square, which is equal to log mod 1 plus 9, 10 minus log mod 5. Log a minus log b, log a by b, na? A by means 10 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So answer is what? Log 2. Understand? Next. Question number 3, take homework. Question number 4. 3 homework. Fourth question, integral 0 to pi sin cube cos cube, huh? Sin cube x cos cube x dx. So see, in these two questions we didn't use any property, but if you need, if you want, you can use the properties. Here I want to use the property. What is the property? 0 to a f of x dx property. 0 to a f of x dx property we can use. 0 to pi kada. So what is 0 to a property? Enasamanam. See here. 0 to a f of x dx will be what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay na? Right, I am using that property. See, Rashana integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx, right? And the first given, let I equal to equation number 1. By using this property, it will become 0 to a, 0 to a will not change, that is 0 to pi will not change. What is happening in place of x? Upper limit minus x is happening, right? Upper limit minus x. So, in the same form, sine cube of what? Pi minus x. Cos cube of what? Pi minus x into what? Dx, which is equal to integral 0 to pi. What is sine 180 minus theta? Sine 180 minus theta. 180 minus which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine positive, and which is even axis sine. So you will get sine cube x. So sine 180 minus theta, sine theta. What about cos 180 minus theta? Minus cos theta. Very good. So that is what? Minus cos cube x, right? So it will become minus 0 to pi sine cube x cos cube x dx. Equation number what? 2. Now 1 plus 2 change. I plus I, 2i. This plus this we have to do, right? This is positive, this is negative. Both will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 0. Understand? So property, if you use property, easy. Otherwise, difficult remember. Okay. Next, see question number 5. I will explain you fifth one, sixth one. Take second one, seventh one homework. What is the fifth question? Integral 0 to 1 no 0 to 2 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x dx kada. Page number 285. And the sixth question, integral 0 to 4 mod 2 minus x dx. This is from second Roman. Okay, come on. Listen, these two questions very, very important, Anna. And nothing but MZ bits also. Listen here. 0 to 2 mod. If you have no mod, easy. 1 ki x ki separate integration. But you have mod of a function with limits. Again with limits. Okay. So see, 1 minus x is the function. Mod of 1 minus x may be plus or minus of 1 minus x, right? May plus or minus. But depending on the limits, we have to check. Number line 0, 1, 2. 0 to 2 we have question. Function is what? 1 minus x. Now, if you take 0, you will get positive. 0.5 positive. 0.9 positive. Till 0.999 you will get positive, which is less than 1. So 1 minus less than 1 is always positive only. Na? If you take this portion, you will get positive. Positive. If you will take after 1, 1.1 negative till 2 negative. Understand? So here we have two parts. One is positive part, one is negative part. That's why what I am doing, I am writing like integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 positive. So only I am writing 1 minus x dx plus integral 1 to 2, 1 to 2 negative. So that is what negative means. Can we write x minus 1? Minus of 1 minus x will be x minus 1 only. Okay na? Only. Minus of 1 minus x. Any doubt? No doubt, huh? Can I erase this? Right. Now continue the solution. ఇప్పుడు మిగిలింది ఏమి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to 1 1 dx integral 0 to 1 x dx plus into minus minus integral 1 to 2 1 dx plus into minus minus into minus integral 1 to 2 x dx. Now what is integral 1 dx? X limits ఏంటి 0 to 1. What is x dx? X square by 2. What are the limits? 0 to 1. What is integral 1 dx? X 1 to 2 plus this is x square by 2 limits 1 to 2. Now x first upper limit, upper limit 1 minus lower limit 0 minus upper limit 1 square 1 by 2 minus lower limit 0 upper limit 2 lower limit 1 upper limit 2 2 square ante 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 simplification 1 minus 1 by 2 2 minus 1 that is minus 1 and plus 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be what 3 by 2 4 minus 1 3 by 2 yeah minus 1 plus 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 which is nothing but 3 minus 1 what 2 by 2 this is positive this is negative 2 by 2 2 2 answer 1 same process which can be written as integral 0 to 2 2 minus x 0 to 2 which is positive kada? And this is negative 2 to 4 right 2 to 4 minus of 2 minus x any doubt same since we have 4 0 1 2 3 4 from 0 to 2 since 2 is there 0 to 2 positive 2 to 4 negative that's why I took that. Now same separate integration integral 0 to 2 2 dx integral 0 to 2 x dx plus into minus integral 0 sorry 2 to 4 2 dx plus into minus 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 into minus plus integral 2 to 4 x dx. Continue. Integral 2 dx means 2x. 1 dx is x. 2 dx means 2x. So 2 into x limits what? 0 to 2 minus this is what? X square by 2 limits what? 0 to 2 minus 2 into x limits what? 2 to 4 plus this is x square by 2 limits what? 2 to 4. You don't get confused. We have no same limit for all. This is 0 to 2, this is 2 to 4. This is 0 to 1, this is 1 to 2. Okay. By mistakenly you may write same 0 to 1, 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 0. You will get wrong answer. So which is equal to 2 into upper limit 2 minus lower limit 0. Upper limit 2 square means what? 4 by 2 minus lower limit 0 minus 2 into upper limit 4 minus lower limit 2 plus this is 4 square 16 by 2 minus this is 2 square 4 by 2. Any doubt? Any doubt? So which is equal to this is 2 2 ja 4 4 by 2 2 this is 4 minus 2 2 2 2 ja minus 4 this is plus 16 by 2 minus 4 by 2 which is nothing but what 12 by 2 2 1 ja 2 6 ja so what you will get 4 4 6 minus 2 that is the answer. Very very important question these two. Okay, understand? These are direct questions. We have different questions. I will explain you. So come to page number 286. 286. How many questions finished? 6. Yeah. There you have seventh question. What is the question number 7? Tell me, Mr. 0 to 1. Dx by root 3 minus 2x. Dx by root over 3 minus. Yeah. What is eighth question? Tell me. 0 to a
root a minus root x
whole square dx. Next, ninth question.
0 to pi by 2 secant power 4 theta dt.
Next, 10th question.
0 to 3 x by root over x square plus 16 dx.
Oh, these are our homework only. Next, current unnaya. 12th question first.
1 to 5 dx by 2x root 2x minus 1.
Sorry, listen here. First of all, if you have no limits, what is integral 1 by root x formula? 2 root x. The answer will be 2 root 3 minus 2x. The quotient of x will be the denominator, kada? Minus 2. Limits what? 2 to first upper limit, right? Minus is there, na? Minus is there. Minus outside minus. Upper limit root over 3 minus 2 into 1, 3 minus 2. Minus lower limit root over 3 minus 0. Root over 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2. 1. Root 1. 1. Minus of 1 minus root 3, which is equal to root 3 minus. Finish answer. Same here. A minus B whole square formula. What is A minus B whole square formula? A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Apply for this integration, this integration, this integration. After that, you have to compulsory apply limits. Don't forget. Same secant power 4 theta, right? Secant square theta, secant square theta. 1 secant square theta will be 1 plus tan square theta. Take tan theta t. Secant square theta d theta. ఇందులో మీకు ఏది రాకపోయినా నన్ను అడిగింది నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా? ఇవన్నీ ఇండెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో చేసినాయి. సేమ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 16t తీసుకుంటే ఎక్స్ వస్తుంది. బట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ హౌ వీ విల్ సాల్వ్ ద సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ క్వశ్చన్. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్. దిస్ ఇస్ సేమ్. Same. Now come to this 10th question. So what is the question? Integral 0 to 3 x by root over x square plus 16. Same like previous indefinite process only. Listen here. Put x square plus 16 is equal to what? T, or we can take what? T square. Root is there, na? That's right. Now differentiation with respect to x. 2x dx is equal to 2t dt. T 2 to. So x dx is equal to t dt. Okay, we can substitute. So okay, come to the question. Integral numerator x dx, na? So t dt, right? X dx is nothing but what? T dt by root over what? That is clearly we took what? T square. Okay, now everything in terms of t. What about limits? What are the limits? 0 to 3. 0 to 3 for x function, not for function in terms of t. Function changed in terms of t. Limits also will be changed. How, sir? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అప్పర్ లిమిట్ విల్ చేంజ్, లోయర్ లిమిట్ విల్ చేంజ్. అప్పర్ లిమిట్ how it will change? What is upper limit actually? 3. So upper limit x equal to what? 3 given. What is t we need to find? X equal to 3, that implies substitute here 3. 3 square. 3 square. 9 plus 16 is equal to t square. 9 plus 16. 25 is equal to t square. Then what is t? 5. Lower limit. What is lower limit? X is equal to 0. Right here 0. 0 plus 16 is equal to t square. Then what is t square is equal to 16. T is equal to 4. So now tell me, lower limit will be 4, upper limit will be 5. So here square is square root of tt. What is left? Integral 4 to 5 1 dx dt, right? Which is equal to t, na? 1 dt means t only in terms of t. Limits 4 to 5. So 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. So substitution method. For substitution method, we have to change what? Limits also, upper and lower limits also we should change. Otherwise, we will not get the solution. Understand? So this is also, these also important questions. Now one more question is there. That is, tell me that question. 11th. Correct. 12th. Integral 0 to 1 x into e power dx. So same substitution method. See, ఇక్కడ x square x కనబడ్డదంటేనే substitution అది. X square derivation will be x only. Here also x square x separate functions. So same substitution method. What I am taking as t, put minus x square is equal to t. I am taking with minus. Differentiation with respect to x. Then minus x square derivation 2x only, na? Dx is equal to what? Dt. We need only what? X dx. There is no minus 2. That's why what I'm writing x dx can be written as minus dt by 2. Substitute here, which is equal to integral x dx minus dt by 2. E power minus x square. E power minus x square will be t. X square will be t. And this x dx will be minus dt by 2. What about limits? Now, upper limit. What is upper limit? Write here 1. T is equal to, if you write here 1 square 1 minus 1. Lower limit. What is lower limit? 0. So t is equal to, if you write 0, you will get what? 0 only. Okay? Understand? So what is lower limit here? 0. Upper limit what? Minus 1. But if you observe, 0 big, minus 1 small. I told already, always lower limit should be smaller than upper limit. That's why, which is equal to, here what sign we have? Interchange. So that what you will get, integral minus 1 to 0 e power t dt by what? 2, 1 by 2 outside. What is integral e power x? E power x, which is equal to 1 by 2 into e power t. What are the limits? Minus 1 to 0, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, first write upper limit, e power 0 minus lower limit e power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 e power 0, 1, something power 0 is 1, and e power minus 1 will be what? 1 by e. Again 1 by 2 into LCM, e minus 1 by e. That is answer. Substitution. For substitution method, I am telling these questions. Okay. Next, see Roman number 2. Same. Roman number 2. First question, second question, third question. 3 questions homework. Cheskondi. First, second, third. Fifth already I explained you. Fourth question. What about fourth question? What is the fourth question? So ikkada manaku enta aitundi? 12th. Yeah. 13th question. What is that question? Tell me. Integral 0 to 90
x square sin x dx.
X square sin x dx. Tell me, Roshit, if you have no limits, ela solve chestavu? Limits leave. This question I gave x square sin x icha. How you will solve? What is the formula?
Separate derivation.
Anyone? How you will solve this question? Integral x square sin x. So here we have two functions by parts we have to use. Okay, Eilert formula. This is algebra. This is trigonometry. Algebra. This is trigonometry. In Eilert, ILAT. So correct only. This is f. This is g. What is the formula? Integral f of x g of x dx is equal to f of x integral g of x dx minus integral f dash integral g of x dx. So write with that formula first f of x. What is f of x? X square integral g of x sin x dx minus integral f dash of x square derivation 2x integral g of x sin x dx whole dx, which is equal to x square. What is integral sin x? Minus cos x. Integral sin x is minus cos x, and minus 2 outside integral x. Integral sin x is what? Minus cos x kada. Minus cos x dx. That minus will be plus. Again by parts. F, this is g, which is equal to, this is minus x square cos x plus 2 outside. Again apply by parts formula. First f of x, x integral g of x cos x dx minus integral f dash of x derivation 1 integral g of x cos x dx into whole dx. Okay na? Now which is minus x square cos x plus 2 into x integral cos x sin x minus integral 1 only integral cos x sin x into dx. What is integral sin x? Minus cos x, x square cos x plus 2x sin x, and this is integral sin x will be minus cos x minus into minus plus only 2 cos x plus c. But here we have what? Limits. What are the limits? 0 to pi by 2. Actually, you have to apply limits for all these also. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. You have to write. Okay. Now, final answer we have to apply limits compulsory. I told you that is definite integration. First what? Pi by 2. So minus pi square by 4 cos pi by 2 2 into pi by 2 sin pi by 2 2 into cos pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit 0. This is 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, cos 0 1, 2 into cos 0. Here you will not get 0. Now what is the final answer? Cos 90 0, cos 90 0, sin 90 1. So you will get here 2 to cancel, only pi minus here 2 into 1 2. So answer enti pi minus 2. So by parts is the same indefinite only. ఇక్కడ వరకు ప్లస్ సి పెట్టేస్తాం. After that we have to apply limits upper and lower limits to get the final solution. ఓకేనా? ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తే come to one more question, that is 14th question, that is in page number 285, Roman number 1, 6th question. This is also very very important question. What is that question? Tell me. Integral
minus pi by 2 pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx.
Yeah, listen ra. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Okavela if you have no 1 plus e power x, directly we can use minus a to a property. We will get the solution in one step. But here we have denominator 1 plus e power x. Okay, right. See, I am taking this is as I equation number 1. I am taking one. I am using one property, integral a to b f of x dx, which is integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. I told you property is very 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 important. So if you apply that property, integral a to b, say minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos of what you are writing in place of x, a plus b minus x, lower limit plus upper limit minus x, lower limit minus pi by 2 plus upper limit pi by 2 minus x by denominator 1 plus e power also in place of x, same you have to write kada, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x into dx. These two will get cancelled, these two will get cancelled. So what is left part? Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos of minus x, right? Cos of minus x is cos x only. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Denominator 1 plus e power what? Minus x. Now what I am writing this as integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power minus x can be written as 1 plus e power x. LCM చేయండి, which is integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by LCM is what? E power x. Numerator 1 plus again e power x. E power x take numerator, integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 e power x into cos x by 1 plus e power x. Let as equation number 2. This is I, this is also I. Now 1 plus 2. What you will get in LHS? I plus I, 2i, which is equal to this plus this way out, right? If you observe in these two, integration part same. What is it? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I am taking common. Denominator also same. So we are doing LCM, that is 1 plus e power x. Numerators are different. This is what? Cos x. This is what? E power x into cos x into dx. Now 2i equal to integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, taking what common ra? Cos x common, here 1 plus e power x, by denominator also 1 plus e power x into dx. These two will get remaining what? Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x into dx. Since cos x is even function, ra. Why? Because if you write in place of x minus x, again cos x only. Cos of minus x, cos x only. Since even function, we have property integral minus a to a f of x dx will be written as 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. I gave you already property. So which is equal to 2i equal to minus a to a f of x will be 2 0 to a kada? 2 0 to what is a? Pi by 2 cos x. What is integral cos x? Ra? What is integral cos x? Sin x, that is sin x limits what? 0 to pi. First pi by 2. First upper limit. Sin 90 minus sin 0. Sin 90 value? 1. 1 minus 0? Oh, 0 nara? 1. So what is the answer? I equal to 1. Okay. First you practice all these questions till Roman number 2, question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, and properties. Then we will continue remaining questions. Question number 6, 7 and examples, that is one more set. Adoka model. బాగుంటాయి ఆ questions. చాలా important అవి ఇంకా. And after that they evaluate the following limits and so that is limit of some model questions. Then third Roman all long answers. Next we will go for reduction formulas for definite integration. First ఇవి నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత I will continue. Thank you. Share to maximum.